In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through a very simple AMIS runtime script line by line. This will give you a clear understanding of how AMIS runtime queues commands and how you can start automating your build prep. So let's start scripting. Here you can see a first script with a very simple workflow. So first we load AMIS runtime API and the node file system modules. Next, we ensure the output directory exists. So this checks whether an out folder exists, and if it doesn't, we create it. This is where our final batch file will be saved. Next up, we initialize AMIS Pro. So this tells runtime where AMIS Pro is installed on your machine. Next, we import a part. So this imports a single STL file into the batch and assigns it a part number so we can reference it later. Next up is save the batch. This tells runtime to save the batch to the out folder. Again, this is just queued. And so now this is where the magic happens. Execute all commands. This is where everything actually happens. The execute function sends all queued commands. So creating the batch, importing the part, and saving the batch. This is the core idea behind runtime. Build your workflow step by step, then execute it all at once. Voila, and that's it. That's your first AMIS runtime script. In the next tutorial, we'll explore more API functions to help you automate your build prep. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.